Hi, this is Dave with Colton RV. I'm here to show today what's new in 2026 with Grech RV. So behind us, we have a 2026 Grech Turismo-ion all-wheel drive. So where I want to start is going to be right this way, Mike. So this chassis is going to be, again, all-wheel drive. It is on the 2500 chassis, which is going to make it 19 feet long. I do want to discuss today, like I said prior, is what's going to be new in 2026. They made some huge updates to their power systems. It's going to come with their Lithionics batteries. It's going to be 16,000 amp hour lithium batteries. It's going to be combined with the Arco inverter, as well as a 3,000 watt inverter by Victron, okay? Which is going to give you a total of 14 hours of AC power time with that system that they have set up. All right, guys, so above me, you do see you have a Girard awning. It is going to be a wind sensing awning. So what it does, it detects vibrations, and then, God forbid, on a windy day like today, you don't have to worry about your awning getting ripped off. It's going to automatically retract to make sure that your awning is nice and safe, okay? So, Mike, will follow me this way. Okay. So, back coach. Now, this coach does come standard with, of course, a back camera as well as side view cameras. So when you hit that blinker, camera will turn on. Back here is going to be where all your battery system is. So like I was mentioning, it's going to have the Lithionic battery system, your Victron 3000 watt inverter, as well as the Arco Zeus alternator. This stuff's going to be right back here, guys. Okay. Okay. So right there is going to be your 3000 watt, again, Victron inverter, and as well as going to be your Lithionics battery system all right there. So guys, easily access. You do have, your main battery disconnect right here as well. Everything's going to be fully contained, as well as it's going to have its own heating system, those lithium batteries. So lithium batteries hate being in cold weather. So as soon as it drops at 35 degrees and below, the heating system is going to automatically turn on to make sure your batteries are in good condition, okay? All right, guys, before we end up closing the back up, I do want to show you guys this thing does have as well as a night shade and a power screen that's actually controlled via your Garmin system, which again, you can control via Bluetooth. But I'm going to go inside. I'll show you guys. I'll be right back. And guys, so like I mentioned, you do have the bug screen as well as the night shade. So at nighttime, if you want to block all your screens out, you do have the blind as well as a power screen. Now, one thing I do want to mention, as you guys noticed, is power. That is going to be with every single blind in that coach. Everything's going to be controlled via a button. So you have to worry about, pulling it manually. You hit a button and all the blinds will go down. See here, I'll close this up. So guys, with the Grech, so Grech actually was a limousine company to start, and then they, of course, got into the RV space. So that's why you'll notice they're super sleek. They're essentially masking all their control panels, all their hookups is all right here in a nice stainless steel compartment. So you never have to worry about rust. You get like the nasty rust, coming down the screws. Everything's going to be stainless steel. Again, they're really going for this thing to not look like an RV, right? So, some of these HOAs that, don't allow RVs, a Grech would be a great option because, again, it doesn't look like an RV. It looks like a limousine, okay? So, again, you have all your connections right here. You have your smart plug option right there. You do have your water hose that's going to be retractable, and then water pump, outdoor shower, and then your city water connection all right there, okay? Again, all in a stainless steel compartment, hidden away by this door right here. Okay. And then if you notice, right here, that's gonna be your macerator exhaust. So it doesn't have your standard, sewer pump connection. It's gonna have a macerator. Again, just for the longevity of the system, it's gonna be just, again, one of the best on the market, so. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then guys, like I said, we can come inside and check it out. So I'm going to start off in the front here. They are going to have your ultra leather seats, as well as built-in memory foam for in the rear, which is going to make it one of the most comfortable bed setups in the entire Class B market. So if we come over here, you're going to notice it's going to be a solid surface countertops due to the very, very impressive lithium battery system that it has. It is going to be a full induction cooktop. So there's going to be no propane, no generator. Again, everything's going to be running off of those batteries. It is one of the only Class Bs in the market that's actually going to be able to charge these batteries in idle. See here. Also, I do want to discuss another huge feature that's going to be different in 2026 is going to be the Garmin control panel. They have recently updated that, which this is actually going to give you the capability to control everything via Bluetooth. So you can do it from your computer, your phone. Everything's going to be able to control via that. So as we're just stepping back here, I want to just show you guys the bathroom. Again, it's going to be your standard wet bath that's going to be in pretty much every single Class B on the market. And this is going to be their Grech AC. Again, with the system that it has currently, you can run this thing for 14 hours on a single charge, okay? Grech is also going to come standard with the Timberline heating system. It's going to be run off diesel. It's one of the most effective heating systems, again, in the Class B market overall. As well as we point down here, this is going to be a convection microwave. So no oven. Again, everything's running off of electric in the coach. So that acts as your microwave as well as your oven. Now what I do want to show you guys is I want to show you the bed setup and how you actually set that up. So if we come here, right here. Yeah, I mean, with a simple press of a button, you're able to get that bed up and down. You can either leave it in like this twin bed style setup where you essentially have a little aisleway in the middle. So if one person needs to go to the bathroom, you're not like scooting to the bottom of the bed. Or what you can do is you can actually bring these ottomans together to make one big bed. I'll connect it. I'll show you guys that. Okay. And again, guys, that's gonna be just shy of a king size bed. It's gonna be your ultra leather combined with the memory foam. Again, making it one of the most comfortable beds in any Class B that I've ever felt. So yeah, to put it up, again, same thing. Just press a button, you're able to go ahead and put that sofa up. And then you could retract the ottomans, and I'll show you guys that. So, again, with Grech, they are going to be utilizing a European veneer for all their cabinetry. They essentially are taking inspiration off of Gulfstream jets. That is the feel that they're going for inside their coach. So again, tons of overhead storage just kind of throughout the coach. I'll show you guys just the mass amount of storage. Okay. Right here, if you're wondering, this is going to be all your owner's manual right there. And then again, same thing over here, just more storage. So if you're bringing, clothes, whatever the case be, while you're camping, you have, again, storage along the, all this overhead storage for everything you guys need. Now, one thing to mention that I want to talk about that you guys can't see is going to be Starlink. So in 2026 is another huge change. It's going to be coming with Starlink Roam Standard. So it doesn't matter where you are, you'll be able to essentially go ahead, get a subscription for Starlink. You'll get internet access essentially wherever you are in the United States. Again, just one step, one more thing that just essentially makes a huge difference between the 2025 and then the 2026. All right, guys. Here we're in the cockpit of the 2026 Grech Turismo all-wheel drive. So I just want to take a couple minutes here and just talk about all the things up in the cockpit area. So first thing I'll actually point out is this does have the back camera is actually integrated in the rearview mirror. What you would do to turn it off, this little switch here, up there, and then here we are. Okay, so now we can shift over to the main control panel for the Mercedes. This is going to be Mercedes premium chassis, so it's going to have all the features that Mercedes offers for the 2026 Sprinter chassis is going to be on this. So first and foremost, we'll start right here. This is going to have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay enabled. It connects via Bluetooth, and then you're able to see your Apple Maps or your Google Maps right on your screen. This does, of course, come with FM and Sirius XM radio. Okay. So here, and really the biggest thing I did want to discuss was going to be all the safety features that this unit comes with that you'd be able to see right here. So it comes with it does come with collision avoidance, and then here are going to be the multiple cameras that you have. Okay, so you do have the side-mounted cameras as well as the backup camera. Okay, you do have assistance for parking, so it'll essentially, there's a 360 sensor, so it'll tell you if there's something in front of you, the side of you, and the back of you. Go here. See here. Try. All right. It does have the automatic gas station search, so what it'll be able to do, if it'll notice that when you see that gas light on, it'll essentially direct you to the closest gas station that's closest to you while you're traveling. A couple things we'll talk about on this side. So again, you do have all your clusters here for your main controls. This chassis does come with the start-stop feature. So if you are at a red light, you hit the brake, the vehicle will turn off, and then of course, as soon as you hit the gas, the ignition will refire up. That is just ultimately to help with gas mileage. This unit also does come with a heated steering wheel. The switch is actually going to be right over here. Okay, right on the left side on the control panel here. And then, like I mentioned in priors, it does have the memory seats, so it has 3 different options. Of course, you do have the heated seats, and then your control panel seats are going to be right here. Alrighty, guys, so getting ready to take a little quick test drive of the 2026 Grech Turismo. Again, guys, this is their 19-foot. This is their shortest model that they make. You know, a little more geared towards off-roading, has the bigger all-terrain tires with a little bit of a lift. You know, we're taking on a racetrack right now, so let's just see how it handles, and we'll see what we think here. So, well, first impression, we just hit a pretty big bump, and just due to the suspension that they put on the Turismo, again, you don't feel anything. I mean, it's crazy just how quick that that like brand new 4-cylinder that they're making, how much it speeds up and how quick it accelerates. One nice little feature as I'm just kind of driving is having this mirror here. Again, it's always on display, so I can always see what's behind me to make sure that obviously I can kind of aware of my surroundings. Yeah, guys, man, first bend, I mean, thing handles like a car. I mean, really, guys. You know, I always hear when people are coming in to look at things like, oh man, you know, it's so big compared to like my car. But I will say, guys, I mean, this thing drives just like car, if not better than most cars, right? You notice, I mean, we're taking that turn at 35 miles an hour. You don't feel any swaying. You know, it doesn't feel very like top heavy. But again, that's just due to the suspension and, you know, some of the upgrades that Grech does on these chassis. Yeah, like right here, guys, like super tight corner, no problem at all. I mean, guys, I mean, like I just mentioned, I mean, the ride quality of a Grech, it's night and day compared to some of these other brands. You know, it's just, I mean, how easy, how smooth it feels. Like, again, guys, you probably don't hear any rattling in the background. That's a huge thing with RVs. I'm sure all you guys know. You hear zero rattling. I mean, we're going, you know, again, 30 miles an hour around a super tight corner. You don't hear no rattling, no shaking. It's not very loud, right? You can have a normal conversation with your passenger. No problem at all. But yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, super impressed because, of course, the Turismo doesn't come with the air suspension like a, you know, Torino or Strada. But, you know, it not having air suspension, I mean, how smooth it feels going over bumps, taking turns. It's actually pretty remarkable, I will say, especially for only being a 19-foot coach. So, but yeah, guys, I mean, that's my my first impressions of the you know, driving the brand new 2026 Turismo. Again, I'm David. I'm with Colton RV. You can reach me at 716-392-2351. You know, if you guys have any questions, please reach out, and I hope all of you guys have a nice day.